Residents of Lutoli met with the PWD's chief engineer earlier today to voice their opposition to the proposed bypass road in their village. They argue that the project would damage Goa's iconic Khazan lands. Additionally, they claim that the PWD, despite its assurances to maintain and restore the surrounding lands, lacks an understanding of the local topography and has a history of failing to fulfill its promises to the community. Listen.
We are trying to cooperate with the government. Missing link कहते तो मुगे शेत दिला because that was at the corner. आता मोदींच्या होत्याला किती जाता बाबा. That Khazan is over. आणि पूर्वजांगे कितुले I don't know 3,000 4,000 years ethnic लोकांना आपणा हातीन केले तो जुवारी रिवर पुरोइन बांध काणी शेत केले ते फकत 1 मीटर देखून ना ते 15 सकट उदो हा आणि हे मिशनरी नी हांवें चोयला आमगे मिशनरी कितें आमी एक मिशनरी हाडलोली डिसिल्टिंग करपा ती मिशनरी भितो गेली आणि ती रेस गेली आनी भितो गेली सो दीस इज Khazan हे युनीक एंड पयलीं Khazan कितें स्टडी करूं जाय आसलें आज स्टडी करताय our MLA somehow or the other he was not there when this process was taking place. He is trying to be with us also, he is with the government also, whatever he can he is doing, but at this juncture it is not possible to satisfy both. It stands like this, either the bridge will come or the Khazan will stand. आमची कोर कमिटी आता ही तिसरी मीटिंग आहे कोर कमिटी घेऊन. This thing is happening. I mean, last time also we told this. Our matter is even with pending over there for CRZ clearance and all that. But this side they are coming for demarcation. So we requested our minister last time to stop the demarcation. So he said the problem is that this thing, what is that, acquisition may lapse. So, but we said no, our fields are cultivated now. At least during this time, please don't step in. So now there is no assurance given that they will come or they will not come. But at time being, there is peace of mind. PWD officials, they were showing the same bridge. The pillars will come, and like that. So we told him no. Through our field, if you get the bridge, all that mud and all which falls there, you will never be able to remove it. And now Khazan will be destructed forever, and we don't want it.
So what they say?
Now tomorrow they are coming on the site there to see if there is any better adjustment that can be done. Around 3-4 lakhs Jameen will be affected directly. The rest will be later on.
This place is very eco-sensitive, and any form of development, they were saying no, we can put a access road and then we'll try to put those those big boulder columns. Yeah, and he was telling us the feasibility how it is. It's going to be 50 meters, and then in between it's got how many meters? 40, and then 41. So it's got 3 different sections and 3 different line. The widths are different in 3 different places. So he was trying to explain the full thing in detail. So we said, yes, we understand everything is fine, but when it comes to feasible construction of that place, there is no proper study done.
तो पयलींच्यान दाखयताय एशको येतलो ब्रिज तेशको येतलो ब्रिज हिंग हाम घातले थिंग हाम घातले मागीर हांवें तांकां येतो विचारलें तुमी सगळे हाम घातले म्हणजे वयतले कितें कोण ते हाम घालपाकू रस्ते करूं म्हणटाय ते अरे रस्तो करपाकू नाक न्ही आम थिंगा शेतां रस्तो केल्यार तो रस्तो तुमचे कडेन काडूं जावपाना म्हणजे आतां आमकां इंजिनियरांक कितें सांगलां आमी रस्तो कोतले आनी आमी काडले हांवें तांकां विचारलां तुमी कितें को काडले एक पाट हातोर तर ते चिकलांक घायलोले ते काडूं मेळटाय ते पळय खबरूच ना तांकां कितें हातोर आनी कितें चिकोल तो ते ड्रॉईंग काडूं ना आनी तो ड्रॉईंग सगळ्यां काडले ते उंचल्यां काडनी ना प्लेन आलोराय.
Dylan Rodrick, Subhashish Govekar and Bhakti Balgi for Goa 365.